Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in previous class what we have learned? We have learned about the landforms in the previous block S2 and water bodies in S3. And what about today's classes? Climate of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. How the climate will be in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. What is the climate, children? It depends upon the weather. What is today's weather? It is so cold, right? So how we will decide? The clouds and everything, what we are getting fog and everything, we will decide upon the climate, what we are weather, we will depend on that. For example, what is there for long time, we will decide how the weather will be, weather pattern will be for long time, we will decide that climate. Now example, if we are in the mountains, what it will be, it will be cold, right? And if we are in the desert, it will be hot. So depending on the place where we are living, the climate will be changes. So in today's class, we will learn about the climate of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. How the climate will be in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, children, everyone open your reader, page number 126. Children, everyone open page number 126. Climate of Andhra Pradesh. The climate of Andhra Pradesh can differ depending on where you are located. March to June are the summer months. In Andhra Pradesh, it gets hot in summer. The summer season is hotter than the rest of the state near the sea coast. July to September is the season for rains in Andhra Pradesh. The state receives heavy rainfall during this month. October, November, December, January, and February are the winter months in the state. The weather becomes pleasant and it does not get very cold because the state is closer to the sea. Cotton clothes are best suited for the climate of Andhra Pradesh due to many rivers and long rainy season. The land is very fertile here and many kinds of crops, fruits, and vegetables can grow easily. People grow rice, millets, wheat and other food grains in Andhra Pradesh. Crops such as groundnuts and sugarcane also grown here. Yes, children. What are the seasons? What are the climate we have? Summer, winter, and rainy season. Cold, hot, everything. And you can see a rainy day in Andhra Pradesh. Agriculture is an important occupation in Andhra Pradesh. Farmers planting rice in a paddy field. Andhra Pradesh is also known as Ratnala Sima, which means the land of diamonds, because some of the world's best diamonds like the Kohinoor and Ranget have been found here. Yes, children, now we'll see what is the climate near the sea, hills and plateaus of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The climate of Andhra Pradesh depends upon the landforms, children. What are the landforms? Oceans, hills and plateaus. The climate can be hot, humid or rainy near the sea. Near the ocean. Near the ocean it can be hot, rainy or humid. And what is the climate near on the hills? The climate can be dry, cold, windy, like that. On the plateaus, the climate can be dry and hot, children. Yes, these are the climates about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana depending upon the landforms and water bodies. Now, what are the seasons? How many seasons are we have in Andhra Pradesh? We have 3 seasons. What are the summer, monsoon, that is rainy, and winter? How does it feel in summer? It is hot. Yes, in summer it will be hot. And what are the how many months it will be from March to June? What is the climate? Hot. And how many months it will be? March to June. And monsoon or rainy season from July to September. And what is the winter? Winter is from October to September. Sorry, October to February. In summer it will be hot all over the state. During the monsoon there are heavy rains, and in winter mild and pleasant. Many people visit Andhra Pradesh during the winter season, children. So this is about the climate of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, children. Yes, children. One question. How do the climate depend? How we depend on the climate, like what we eat, what we wear? Like, what do the farmers grow and what we eat are depends on what the farmers grow. And how the farmers will grow depends on climate only. The farm means now very hot season, some type of plants they will grow, and it is cold season, sometimes plants only they will grow. So it depends upon the climate how the farmers will grow, that only we can eat. Example, in hot season, what means in the summer season, what we wear very light clothes made up of cotton. Yes, and what we eat curd rice more, because it will be more hot, that's why we eat curd rice more. And what about in winter? In winter we will wear woolen clothes, because we will be so cold, right? So we will wear the woolen clothes. And what we eat, hot soups. Yes, like hot things, what we have more fat in it, we will eat that things. So the climate also, we depend on the climate, what clothes we wear, what we eat, it depends on the climate only, children. Okay, now let's do the workbook. Open your workbook, children. Okay, children, everyone open your workbook, page number 23. We are doing S4, climate of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Write today's date, children, that is 7-1-2021. First bit, match the following: rainy season, winter season, summer season. Rainy season from which months to which month? It is from June, July, September. So it's A. Winter season, October, November to February. So C. Summer season, March to May and June. B. Second bit, which part of Andhra Pradesh do you think receive the highest rainfall? Why do you think so? Which region receives the highest number of rainfall? It is Andhra region. We have three regions: Andhra, Costa and Telangana. Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema. Andhra region receives heavy rainfall because it is closer to the hills and oceans. Ocean means Bay of Bengal. The Andhra region receives the highest rainfall because it is closer to the hills and oceans. Next, third bit. Tara lives near the coast of Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh, and Ramesh lives in the plateau region of Telangana. What is the climate in both these places? What jobs would Tara Ramesh do in this regions? They are the different climate, children. They are living in the near coast, Bay of Bengal, and the Ramesh lives near the Deccan Plateau. What is the climate? We have to write. The climate in Tara's place. The climate near the Bay of Bengal is hot and humid in the summer, gets a lot of rain in the rainy season, and pleasant in the winter season. And what is the climate of Ramesh? The climate in the summer is hot. Summer is hot and cold in winter. Okay, children. And what is the job? The Tara lives near the Bay of Bengal side. They do fishing. And where does the Ramesh lives? In the Deccan Plateau, near the plateau. So they do the farming. So this is the answer, children. Okay. We have finished the workbook S1, S2, S3 and S4. And classwork 1, 2, 3 question answers. We have done keywords, glossaries and maths following, and 1, 2, 3 question answers. This is your class activity, children. Write the heading class activity. Draw the map and mark location of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You have to draw this map. You have in your reader. You have to draw like this, children. You have in your reader. See, you have in your reader this is. You have to draw this Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema in your classwork, that is your class activity, children. Okay, draw it. Don't stick the map and just write the place. Okay, try to draw it. Okay, children, complete the classwork and workbook. Thank you.